I've had a Garmin Forerunner 735XT for the last 7 years and it's been excellent. Recently, the watch band holder thingy snapped on me. My watch has been through war, so I'm going to replace the whole band and show you how you can do it too. I used this cheap strap replacement kit from Amazon, which had everything I needed. I'll leave a link for you in the description. This job was quick and easy. The watch bands are secured by two little pins on either side of the face, with an end cap screwed on to each end so they actually stay attached to the watch. This kit came with two little screwdrivers to help unscrew and fasten these end caps. First, we'll take off the old bands. You can unscrew one side while pressing firmly on the other end cap to make sure the pin doesn't just spin in place while you turn it. Once one of the screws comes off, you can pull out the whole pin with pliers. The other band was slightly easier when I just used both screwdrivers at once. Now we'll swap the old out for the new. Unscrew one of the end caps from the new pin and thread it all the way through. Then you'll fasten up the cap on the other side. Notice here how if I don't put pressure on the far end cap, it'll just spin in place. So make sure to use both screwdrivers at once or apply pressure with your finger so the end caps can actually tighten. We're ready to roll. New strap installed. It should be pretty quick for you. Again, I'll leave a link to the strap I used in the description. Hope this was helpful and have a great day.